Hi, this is just a video which is going to have two parts to it, a macro view and a micro view. So when I mean the macro, I basically just mean we're going to take a long or high level look at these sensors. So Zimmer and Peacock provide the Micrux sensors. They're glass substrate with gold or platinum electrodes sputtered onto them. You can get very fine features with this kind of manufacturing. There's an SU8 dielectric on there, or insulating layer. So here I have one of the electrodes. That particular one is the EDSE1 in gold. So you can have all the electrodes in gold, or all the electrodes in platinum, or maybe two of the electrodes in platinum and one of them in gold. So you can have a combination of materials. So I said I was going to do a macro view on this. So this is the electrode itself. How do you make electrical contact with something quite that fine? So we do the ED drop cell. These are available. I'll just flick that up. So what I'll do is and then snap that down, and that's the electrical contact. And there's a cable with banana plugs on the back, where you can use the crocodile clips as well, and that connects then into the back of the connector. So that's how you make electrical contact with quite a fine little cell, in terms of its, But we've done a longer video when we've actually shown you how to manipulate these, because often people are using these in biosensor type applications. So they'll be putting aptamers down, or antibodies down, maybe enzymes down. And the question then is, how do you handle these sensors in a meaningful way in the lab? And what you do in that situation is, we've actually got these available on the website as well. There allows you to put the sensors on there. You can now manipulate them. The pitch is the same as a multi-head pipetter, so you can basically run solutions onto these. We have another video that shows this, and then the solutions just run away. So that's a nice way of let's say, forming the sensors, forming the electrodes. And then, as I say, you can make electrical contact with them then in the connector like that. So that's the macro view, and I'll now run a little video showing you a close-up view of these electrodes as well. Alright, so this is the second part of the video. In the first part I showed you the macro view, so I showed you a couple of I showed you the drop cell adapter, so that's where you can put the electrodes and then make electrical contact with them. And I also showed you the holders. There's a video on this page it's worth looking at. The holders allow you to put the electrodes on there and manipulate them by putting liquids on them and stuff like that. And then I said I was going to do a second half of the video, which is this part, which is the micro version of the video. So I showed you a couple of electrodes. Well, actually, I mentioned a couple of electrodes in the video. First half, one of them was the EDSE1. So the EDSE1, this guy here. So I'm going to move the microscope to here. This is the guy. There's no interdigitated features with this guy. You can use the website as well to also get sort of images and see what's going on there. So that's the EDSE1. This is the more interesting guy, and I've slotted him across there. And this guy is the EDSE1. Whoops, not the EDSE1. Sorry, this guy is the ED1DA1. These are very memorable part numbers. So you can actually see it in all its, you can see it on the website. There's plenty of drawings. I just have a look myself. Then literally in the video that stream that I'm running here, you can see those interdigitated electrodes, but even under this microscope you really have to come onto the website and have a look at these photographs again and get a sense of actually how fine these electrodes are. Okay, so that was just a quick introduction to the Micrux electrodes available from Zimmer Peacock. Okay, thanks very much.